bushes. We're going to start by adding a cube, moving it where we want it, tapping into edit mode, and scaling it how we like. Next, we're going to go over to geometry nodes. Going to go new, Shift A, mesh, primitives, grid. Shift A, material, set material. Now I've got the material, and we're going to go into shading, new, Shift A, image texture. We're going to pick our leaves, and I've got a masking thing that I'm going to use. These images are from textures.com. I'm going to do mapping and a texture coordinate node. Put the generated into the first vector. Put both of those in there. In geometry node, we're going to pick this material. You can see it right here. Now we're going to add mesh operations, mesh to volume. Shift A, point, distribute points in volume. Use that volume. Then we're going to go instances, instance on point. We're going to use the points in volume as the points, and we're going to use the grid as instances. Now we've got a bunch of little, you know. Now we need to get a random value. We're going to have it be a vector. Put it into the rotation. Just crank it way up. Change the scale how we like. Increase the density. And there we go. We've got some bushes. You can change them however you like. Yeah, pretty nice.